Yeah, I got a Word document. I had my story down, but I didn't have the tools to get it properly formatted. Hi, my name is John. I'm a writer, like you. I'm here to do a testimonial for a company that helped me make the transition from being a writer to a published author. The company is Publishing Spot. They're not paying me to do this. I asked them. I really want other writers to know what a great company they are and what wonderful services they can bring to an aspiring writer to get finally into the marketplace. I could not have done it on my own. Yeah, I got a Word document. I had my story down, but I didn't have the tools to get it properly formatted, to get a cover made, to get the ISBN number, to get set up behind the scenes with all the different distribution channels that an author desperately needs today to have any chance at success in selling their book. Publishing Spot helped me through all of these steps, and I'm so grateful to them and what they were able to do to make my dream come true of making that transition from being just a writer to becoming a published author. Wishing you all the best with your writing. Thank you.